So this is actually a very tricky question. So D is a 3-digit number such that the ratio of the number to the sum of the digits is the least. What is the difference between the digit at the 100th place and at the unit place of D? So for example, let's take the smallest 3-digit number first, that is 100, right? So 100 divided by the sum of its digits, that is 1, we will get 100. So this ratio has to be very minimal. Now if I take 101, then the sum of digits is going to be 1 plus 0 plus 1 is 2. So 101 by 2, it's becoming 50.5. So approximately it's 50. So it's becoming reducing. So we have to take those number in which it is the least. Okay. Now if I take in this way, if I take 109 by 10, because sum of digit is 10. So 1 plus 0 plus 9 is 10. It's going to get 10.9. So this is smaller now. It is smaller than 150.5. This is 10.9. So in this way, you need to try different possibilities. Now if I put 110 divided by 2 is actually 55. It's increasing. So that's anyway, it's not going to happen. Now if I put 119 divided by 11, you are going to get, it's approximately, if you do it, you will get 10.8 something. Okay, 10.8. So it's actually less than this one. So now this is not the answer. So this, we got a value which is less than 10.9. So just try some more values now. So let's say if we try 129 by 9 plus 2, 11 plus 12, you are going to get a lesser value than 10.8. In this way, if I increase and increase, finally you will get 199 by 9 plus 9 is 18 plus 1, 19. So this is equal to 10.4 something. Okay. So actually, if you tried this kind of different possibilities, you will understand that 199 by 19, that is the least value. Okay, that is the least value for the ratio. So our D, the number is 199. So the answer is 9 minus 1. The difference between the digit at the 100th place and at the unit place, 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. This is actually very difficult question. It's actually very difficult to understand which is the least, because you have to try so many possibilities. But if you have the time, actually you can solve it by taking the different numbers as I have taken here. Okay,